Hi, Mr. Stack. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good. My name is Sebastian Osler, and I'm a student physical therapist with Bowling Green State University. Today, what we're going to be doing is I'm just going to be listening to certain sounds of your lungs, and then we're going to be going from there, okay? Do you mind if I can work with you while doing that?
Sure.
Awesome. So I'll have you take off your shirt if you don't mind. All right, and then when I put the stethoscope on the certain spot, I just want you to take a full deep breath in and then a full deep breath out too, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Do you mind just moving your chin? All right, then we're gonna do the back side too. If you don't mind, just I'm gonna sit right here. And same thing, as soon as you feel the stethoscope hit the spot, I just want you to take a deep breath in and then a deep breath out. All right, good. Thank you. So any abnormal sounds would be diminished breath sounds or adventitious breath sounds also. So thank you very much.